No oneers. Welcome to week 2. Hope you've had a good week 1. So I'd like to give you the welcome for this week's module with a punny joke. Check this out. This is what we got for this week. What did the sushi say to the bee? What's up, bee? The bee and the wasabi. That's real cool. I like the illustrations here too, and the fact that they even have these blushing cheeks, much like we see in anime. That's cute. So look, here's what we got this week. As you can see, the thematic unit for this week is MLA and other logistics. Ooh, what's in store for us, you might ask? Well, hang on to your hats. Let's dive right in and see what we got for this week. So, this week, first thing we have is this video on Mla Setup. So check this out, and it's going to be really helpful as MLA is the format that we're going to be following for this semester's work. So check this out, and what you'll see in the next page are the documents that go with everything in this module. Here's where you'll find everything, and whenever I make reference to any of these documents, this is where you'll find them. The next one, actually, as you can see, I've integrated the video, the lesson on the thesis. The thesis is a very important part of academic essay writing, as you'll see. So watch this video, and then when you're ready, as usual, submit the worksheet in either .docx or .pdf, and here's the assignment link for that, and that's going to be due by next Sunday, which will be already, look at this, September 5. Wow, we're going into a new month. Time always goes quickly. It really does. Okay, so that's for the thesis statement. Next is for the conclusion paragraph. I like this. It's Muhammad Ali. So here is the video for that, so go ahead and watch that. And here is the assignment for that. It's a discussion board one here. And remember to also reply to a classmate's post. And this is also due September 5, which is by next Sunday. So beyond that, what do we have? Oh, here's a big one. So when I was in grad school, we came across this text in a class where we were looking at how to teach English writing composition, and this text, What is Academic Writing by L. Lenny Irvin, just blew my mind and liberated me from a lot of the preconceived notions that I had that were constraining me. So I know you're gonna love this one. So read this article, and actually you'll probably be surprised that you'll be revisiting even later on in this semester. So I'll be including this one too at the top of our Canvas page too, so that you can revisit it whenever you want. And yeah, so what you're going to do here after you read this, you're going to select what are some of the key concepts or ideas or golden quotes that stand out to you from this text. So a golden quote is just like it's just a line that stands out to you, something that's kind of like, oh, type of thing. How can you apply these to your understanding of the work of academic writing? Why is this significant? Feel free to embed an accompanying image or video audio that supplements your response. Okay, so let's say, for example, you were blown away by the fact that, the academic essay doesn't compulsorily need to be like only 5 paragraphs. Like, remember, we had it hammered into our head, you have to only do 5 paragraphs. That blew my mind through this essay. I was like, oh yeah, it's not even something that is set in stone. It's one way to write an academic paper, but not the only one. So like, let's say you want to represent that with like like an image. Maybe you're talking about how that concept blew you away and you felt it was very freeing. Maybe the image you could want to embed is maybe like a cage opening and like a bird flying out and becoming free, or something like that. If visually you can think of something to represent the concept from either the key idea or the concept or the golden quote that you're drawing from this reading, then feel free to embed that into your response here. But do remember, since it's a discussion board, you have to have at least a hearty, solid, substantial paragraph, which is at least 4 hearty, meaty sentences. And remember to also reply to at least one classmate's post, since it is a discussion board. So that is what we have for this module 2. So keep coming in as hard as you came in with module 1, and keep working hard, guys. And now that it got really hot, try to stay cool, maybe go swimming, something like that. Beyond that, guys, enjoy your week, and always work hard. See you guys.